Madrigal, and I'll be your host for tonight's occasion as I officially welcome you for a night of cocktails and dining. A night for blush pink and gold motifs. A night for a floral-themed celebration of love. And a very special night for Jean and Eric. 18 months is the right answer!
They plan to have their 2-day honeymoon in Boracay after tonight.